Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be trying out a new box. They're a pretty new company. They've been around a little while, but I don't see very many reviews online about them, and they're called Biggun's Bait and Tackle. This is my first time reviewing them, so I'm hoping it's going to be a good box. This box right here, the first box that you buy, depending on which one you get, I got the largemouth bass, the weekenders only, and I think the first one costed me $14, and then my next one will be more, but the first one was just basically shipping. So let's dive in and see what we think about this box. I do like the detail on the box, so I guess I might have to hang it up on the wall back here with the rest of them. And it's a pretty good sized box. A little bit bigger than the normal size ones we get. Alright, let's see what we got here. Well, first up, you got your cards. This one right here is big. It's basically just telling you about the different kinds of baits and stuff that'll be coming out this month. And then you got the shoot and enter and win, I guess, where you go out and catch fish off the lures and enter the contest. And then this card just pretty much tells on how they send out their baits and what colors they send out for the certain times of the year. And of course you can see it's wrapped up in there pretty good, so that's nice. And like I said, this box was only $14.99, so it's just shipping. I just wanted to try them out and see how they were. So first up, we have the Scum Frog Popper, and it's a green, and everybody knows anything about popping frogs. I mean, they're good bait. You can use them. I mean, they're a topwater bait. You can't go wrong with a frog as long as they hold together right. So first up was a Scum Frog. That ain't bad. Next we have the Rattling Jig, the Strike King. That's another good bait. Once again, you can never go wrong with a jig, a rattling jig. And this color is PB&J, I think. Anyway, it's a nice color. Now I think we're going to get into the plastics. Okay. So now we have the Floating Worm from X-Zone Deception Worm, and this is in a green pumpkin. Can't go wrong with X-Zone. X-Zone's a real good company. And once again, I mean, that's a good bait, good known company. Never have enough floating worms. Next up, we have some Bass Reaper Baitco Fizzle Frog, Buzz Frog, Bullfrog. Okay, that's a little different. Oh, I know what these are. Okay, these are a soft plastic topwater frog or slow sinking frog. That's a good looking bait. I have to give those a shot. I like them. They work real good too, especially around here. And I'm assuming the color of these is a bullfrog. I've never heard of that company, but they appear to be nice. I mean, they don't look cheap or cheaply made, so I'll definitely give them a shot. Next up is Reaction Innovation. Okay. The Kinky Beavers. Black light. Okay. Never mind. So anybody knows these are your little beaver baits. Real nice color on there. I like that. It's purple and blue and black. One side's purple and one side's black, and then the little appendages are like a multicolored. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. But yeah, those are really nice. I'll have to use that. Hey, that'll work good on them little, that'll definitely work good with that right there. With the jig, the rattling jig. And this is another company I'm not too familiar with. But there's definitely a lot of them in there. So they've been out since 2002. Yeah, if I had to guess, there's probably 10, 12 of them in there. That's a really good deal. And once again, that was Reaction Innovations. It's called the Kinky Beaver in the black light color. So I like them. I like them dark colors, them dark and blue and different kind of darker colors like that. And then we have the Chompers Watermelon Candy Drop Shot Worm. These are a 4-inch 10 count. Well, I guess I'll go ahead and open them. I hate when companies don't give you the little thing to hang them up with, the little hole, but instead you have to tear them off and woo! Boy, oh man, there's definitely some garlic and salt flavor to them. Wow, that is strong. Huh. But anyways, it's just a little bitty old drop shot worm. I really like the size of it. I mean, it's perfect size. Probably catch a lot of smallmouth and some largemouth off them. And probably a lot of, woo. Man, that is strong. Definitely got some attraction to it. Probably catch a lot of brim and all kinds of stuff off that. Anyways, that was a watermelon candy, the drop shot worm, 4-inch, 10 count. Huh. What is this? Biggun Bait and Tackle, Green Grove, Florida. Oh, this is one of them. I think it's one of them line tools, I think. I guess. What the fuck this is? Oh yeah, okay. So this is got the snippers. The little, this is one of them little new tools they've been advertising. I've seen a lot of them on like YouTube. They've been advertising the little thing where you can like tie your line in different ways. And it's supposed to make it easier. I don't know what the name of this tool is. Don't even get me a line about it. This is the first time I've even seen one. But I'm pretty sure that it's that knot tool on how to make your knots a lot easier. I will definitely have to try this out and definitely look into it. But that's pretty cool. They sent a little tool. That's different. You don't see a lot of that in a lot of these boxes. You normally just see like hooks and stuff like that along with them. So that was different. I like that. I'll definitely have to figure out how to use that. Oh, and then we got some stickers. Drill it, till it, squirts. Okay, that's a little weird. And I think that's supposed to say Daiwa. And then Shimano. So yeah, that was a pretty interesting box. I mean, for $14, you can't go wrong with that. I mean, I think it was a good box. You got 2, 4, 6, 7 plus some stickers. I mean, you got 6. Let's recap this. Okay, so you got the rattling jig. You got the scum frog. You've got the bass reaper baits, the little buzzing frog. You got the X-Zone floating worm. That makes 4. 5 is going to be the drop shot worm. And then 6 will be the little beaver baits. And then you got the little tool, so that's 7. So for $14.99, this was really a really good box. So if y'all think that I ought to keep on giving this box a shot, please let me know, and we will continue to do so. And we'll give them another shot. If y'all think that it was a waste of money and I should just go on and do something different, let me know and we'll just move on. But I think it was a pretty good box, and plus I really like the box anyways. That's definitely going on the wall behind me. So anyways, yeah, so let me know what y'all think. Give me a thumbs up if you liked it, and also be sure to comment. I do read y'all's comments, and I do get back to y'all as soon as I can, because I really do care about what y'all say. And if y'all have any ideas on the next box I should do, leave it in the comments. Thank you, and have a great day.